Hey Jarrett, this is Bernie from BepPresent Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time earlier to speak with me. Now, in this quick video, we're going to go over three things which you can start to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, Jarrett, you may be asking, why are we making this video? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are too busy taking care of your employees and your customers, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. Now, we feel the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these attack plans and we give them away for free. Some people go out there and implement this totally on their own. Some people call us back and say, hey, Bernie, you know what? I like you. Can you do this for me? Whatever you decide to do is totally fine with us. Our only goal is to educate you and make you more money. Now, the three things we're going to talk about, one is going to be content, the second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content is any words on your web page. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a web page, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular product or service, right? A keyword should be placed throughout your website on the page in the content, telling Google, who then tells the end user that you exist and what you're looking to rank for. So, for example, if you guys were plumbers in Oceanside, you want to have keywords on your website like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding. Then, Google then uses that, who then tells the end user that you exist. So, if we take a look at your page here, we can see you have your name here. Looks is great. You have your heading, some of your services that you do, exterior, everything looks good. Some pictures. And also keep in mind that in these pictures, you can actually save these pictures as save as, and if you save them, you can save them as keywords. So what you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to put in something like concrete, flooring, power washing. That way, when Google's crawlers crawl your website, they'll see that keyword and they're going to rank you for that keyword. So you want to definitely save all your pictures, not as numbers, but as specific keywords that you want to be ranked for. So again, Google likes to see content. So if I take a look at your page and see how much content you have on here, we can analyze that. Right now you have 456 words of content. And if I take a look at your next competitor here, which is it's Pittsburgh pressure washing, we can take a look at their page really quickly. They have a caption page, which is decent. Their services, some more pictures. They do fencing. Okay, and if I take a look at their word count, let's go to word count. And we can see here that they have about 1,068 words. And we'll look at the third competitor, which is Keystone pressure washing, roof cleaning. We'll take a look at their page really quickly. They have a fair amount of content on their page. It's their services area. Okay, we take a look at their word content. You can see that they have about 1,045 words. So again, Google likes to see content. It helps them to tell the end users exactly what your page is about. So the more content you have on there, the more keywords we're going to be able to place on your website. And I think from an organic standpoint, we can easily outrank these guys if we get you up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and we can start to bring you more traffic. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about something that's called a backlink. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find a website via a clickable hyperlink linking from their website to your website. Now, these backlinks, they act as an endorsement of your website. Google uses them to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. Now, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to go out there and you want to get relevant backlinks, right? You don't want to go out there and get a backlink from Pizza Hut or Domino's because Google knows that you guys are not a pizza company, so it wouldn't be relevant to your business. Some good backlinks are from HVAC guys, from roofers that you may know, from some other businesses, and you can go out there and you can kind of do something what we call a backlinking circle, where you do an outreach to a roofing company. You might write an article about power washing and roofing, and you put that link on their website and that article on their website, and it links back to your websites. So what I use is we use a paid tool called 888 Ahrefs to check backlinks. So if I check your website here, we can see that as it loads, a little slow here, we can see that this is your website, and we can see that right now you have 0 backlinks. You're actually being found for 8 keywords, and your traffic organically every single month is about 3 clicks per month. So we definitely want to work on this and get more referring backlinks, more websites linking back to you. If we take a look at the competitors that we looked at before, we can see that backlinking, they have about 1,100 backlinks. They have about 61 keywords that they're being found for in terms of pressure washing Pittsburgh, pressure washing different locations, soft washing, words like that, etc. And they're getting about 90 organic clicks every single month to their website. And if I take a look at the third competitor, we can see that they have 237 backlinks. They're being found for about 315 keywords, and they're getting organic traffic every single month to their website of 186 clicks, which is pretty good. So again, what we can do is we can then now go out there, put together a backlink strategy. Now, backlinks that we can use are, like I said, we can write a blog, we can get backlinks from guest posts to other sites, but we want to show Google that we are an authority in the exterior cleaning, soft washing, power washing business, as well as window cleaning. Okay, now the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about a citation. Now, a citation is anytime you see your name, business and address, phone number appear in a directory exactly as it is on your Google My Business page. Now, citations help you rank in the Google Map Pack, which is extremely important for local businesses such as yourself, because it can bring a huge amount of revenue. As the more your citations go up, which is your name, address, and phone number show up in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, social media accounts are a good one. The idea is to have your brand being seen all over the internet. The larger your presence, the more Google is going to trust your website, and it's going to trust your business. Once they see your business, out there more than other companies, they're going to begin to rank you higher than those companies. So I did a basic search here, just to give you something. Pressure washing Pittsburgh, and we can see right here it gets about 210 clicks every single month. We know that this is the paid advertisement section here, and this is the Google My Business section here right now. So again, if JB Power Washing LLC has 20 citations, we want to go out there and get 30 or 40 citations. If Mertz Window Cleaning has and Pressure Washing has 50 citations, we want to go out there and get into 50 or 60 or 70 directories as well. And so we know that's where this happens. And then right here is the organic search. So all these companies, which is the ones Keystone Power Pressure Washing, they're organically ranking for here because they have more backlinks, more relevant content, and Google sees them as an authority. What's good for them is good for us. Whatever backlinks that they have out there, we can then do a research, find out what their backlinks are, and just pretty much copy what they're doing, as well as adding some back to our arsenal so we can outrank them. I did see that you guys are ranking here, pressure washing. There's no value for this search, but you guys are #1 in this location for that search, so that is good. But I think having you guys with a robust website, so you can take this organic search, because 40% of the people search for pressure washing are going to click here, which is the map pack, and the other 30% are going to go here in this organic search box. So again, I hope this was helpful. I want to say thank you for watching this video. You can do one of two things right now. You can absolutely go out there and implement this plan totally on your own. You can do it, update your website, You can get a backlinking strategy. But keep in mind, it does take some time for all these steps to come into play. So you want to get this going as soon as possible so you can start profiting. Or if you feel like you need more information and you want me to sit down and we can do a deep dive, feel free to give me a call. My number is at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.